This episode of our Overland Oz trip continues in the ski and mountain biking village of Thredbo.
Do you know where we're going today? Up there.
It was also our base to climb to the summit of the highest mountain in Oz. The most difficult part of this hike wound its way up the slopes to the upper plateau.
Fantastic spot to have a break and eat a granola bar. I am hungry.
Again?
This looks a little bit like salvia.
I don't know, what do you use it
It's
for?
one of the typical herbs that we use in the Mediterranean for cooking. And this is certainly a relative of our rosemary.
So taste it, is it any good?
No, what if it's poisonous? You can taste it.
Ah, puh, puh, puh. I think a donkey or something peed on that one.
Once at the top of the lift, the going was easier.
I found the flies, or maybe they found me.
Crazy people!
Another crazy person. More crazy people. A firefighting plane. Why? A forest fire, naturally. And the summit at last. Welcome to the top of Australia.
Life is hard, trekking.